What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're liking my videos. Today we are going to do a special video. Maybe right now I'm speaking English and it's not matching with my video because I was speaking a different language. But what I'm gonna do today, we are going to do shadow roots. I'm gonna show you how we do shadow roots. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button too so you get notification and you don't miss any one of my videos. So all I did, for sure the hair has to be wet. Like you see right here, we are using framer brush and we are using the wow comb. I'm going to do for the shadow roots 871 from Wella Color Touch, and so as you see 871 Color Touch, which demi-permanent, and we are going to do 1081 and 916 Color Touch to Wella. First we're gonna start with the shadow roots for sure, and 5 volume. Usually some people can use 10 volume. If you have a 5 volume, I rather to use 5 volume than 10 because I'm depositing and I don't want any left on the roots, so 5 will give me a better deposit than the 10 volume. So anything you are using of the color, you can use the double the amount of the oxygen. So 1 to 2 ratio. Just remember, it's gonna be 1 to 2 ratio. So right now, I didn't do anything special or hard. I did just the 4 quadrant, 4 section, very easy. And what I like about this framer brush, that one side a brush and one side a comb. It's very nice tool. I really recommend it. Framer didn't pay me anything for that. Like, I'm not pushing their products, but believe me, this brush, it's like ice on the cake because it's gonna make your shadow roots faster, and you don't want to take so much time when you're doing the application, because when you're doing toner and shadow roots, you're trying to finish as soon as possible. So as you see, so one side is brush, I apply it like 3 inches out of the roots, and then I switch to the comb on the other side. And if you see, I just give it a little bit comb, so I just make sure the color go to the entire hair on the roots for sure. So I make sure I'm not missing any spots, okay, because you don't want to miss any spots really. Here it's more better angle so you can see. So like I try not to take a big section, so keep your section 1/2 inch to 1 inch maximum, because the more hair you take, for sure it's a higher chance that you're gonna miss some spots, and you don't want to do that. Very important when you are doing shadow roots or you're doing toner, make sure you are doing it on wet hair. So wash the hair, do towel dry, and then you can do the toner or the shadow roots. But here I'm doing shadow roots and toner, okay, so we're doing both together. So I start in the back and then I'm moving to the front. Why? In the front, I feel the color takes quicker. Like, I don't know what the science behind it, but usually when we are toning, we start in the back, because if we start in the front, I feel like the color take very quick. But if I'm doing a retouch, if I'm covering gray, I will start in the front and finish in the back. So I give more time to the front, especially when you have a gray in the front area, this stubborn gray. So to cover, so I give it more time. So as you see, the application very easy. I apply it on the roots and I move it out, like spread it out like 3 inches, and then I comb it. After that, you want to make sure you don't want to take the shadows too much out. Like, it's depend on the effect you're trying to achieve. Sometimes I do shadow roots just like 1.5 inch out of the head, and I don't take it so much out. It's depend on the client, what they're asking for, what exactly the look they are looking for. But here I'm trying to go like 2.5 inches to 3 inches maximum. So we finished the first step. Now we are going to do the toner. So I'm using the 1081 from Color Touch Wella, and I'm using let's see how many grams I'm using here. I'm doing 15 grams, or actually 16. So then at 916, I'm adding, let's see how many. So I made them 22. So now we are going to make the developer double the amount. So for 22, it's going to be 44 grams of developer. So 1:2 ratio. Now we are going to start from the top to the bottom. So I changed my brush. As you see, it's from Framer 2. And now if you notice that I'm trying to focus and tell you guys, when I do the toner, there is the area where is the toner gonna meet the shadow roots. And this area, if you see with my fingers how I blend, I do this color melt. Like I melt the colors, so make them blend together, and then it's gonna give me this seamless blend from light, from roots, sorry, dark, to the light. So look how I apply the color, and then whereas the darkness meet the lights, I do it with my finger. If you see it, look, my fingers, the way the movement, and I do this color melt, and I make sure I do good saturation. So when you apply, the application is very, very important, because you don't want to be stingy with the products. You want to be make sure you have enough products in your ball. So when you apply the toner, that you are given enough color, because sometimes what's happening, or what happened, I see lots of people, they don't do enough colors, and they try to spread it, but they don't have enough color to do the toner, and it's not gonna get the right color. It's not, you are not gonna get a beautiful toner if you don't saturate enough. You have to make sure that you have enough color on the hair. So here you see, like I'm taking, as I said, like an inch of the hair, and here you see, look how I'm doing with my finger, and I melt the color from the shadow roots to the toner I'm applying right now. It's not hard, but it's all about details. The more you focus on those little details, believe me, the final result is going to be phenomenal. So I really, really wish that you are enjoying my videos, and you are getting this informative information, and it helps you out in the salon, because you know, we want to help each other. We are in this industry together. We want to help each other. And now after I did it, I'm going to set the timer. And this is another tools I really like. It's called Wow Comb. And after I did all the application, now I'm combing with this comb. It has like a roller in it, and it's going to make sure there is no one spot missing on the head, no color on it. This comb is amazing. It's called Wow Comb. You can purchase it from Amazon, or they sell it too many places. And believe me guys, this comb is amazing. So now here, after I finished, I dried the hair, did the flat iron, and look to the melt. It's absolutely amazing. Look to the shadow roots, look the seamless. Look how gorgeous the color is. This is straight, and now after that I'm gonna do curl. I'm gonna weave it a little bit and show you both look. And look how seamless it is, look how gorgeous it is. And it doesn't take so much, believe me, like 45 minutes max, and you can get this phenomenal result. I hope you're liking my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you don't miss any one of my videos, and I see you the next week with a new video. And ciao for now. Love you.